Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will learn the concept of prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, heterotrophs, autotrophs. These are the basic terminology related to biology. These terminology you will come across these terminologies many times in many places. So if these concepts are clear at elementary level, so ahead of the study will be more clear. So let's start. Unicellular. Here the word uni means one. Here the word uni means one. Cellular derived from the word cell. So those organisms which are made up of only one cell. Okay, they could be either prokaryote, they could be either eukaryote. We will see the difference between eukaryote and prokaryotes in ahead of the slide. So unicellular are those organisms which are made up of only one cell. Here you can see the example of paramecium. It is made up of only one cell. Amoeba, bacteria, this is a rod shaped bacteria, and these are the organisms which are made up of only one cell. Multi. Here multi means many, and cellular derived from the word cell. So many cells, those organisms which are made of more than one cell, so they are made up of many cells. Here you can see example the bird, trees, animals, fishes, all these organisms are made up of more than one cell. Second thing which is very necessary to keep in your mind, it's not necessary that all multicellular organisms can be seen by naked eye. There are some multicellular organisms. For example, these are organisms which are made up of only two cells, but we cannot see them from the naked eye. One of the example is fungi, like mucor. Prokaryotes. Here the word pro means before. Many times we do not understand the words, but actually the word is explaining the phenomena itself. So pro means before, karyons means nucleus, karyons means nucleus, karyon means nucleus. Before nucleus means something which is not a nucleus, it was something before nucleus, something which was before the formation of nucleus. So these are the primitive form of organisms which do not have proper nucleus, which means they do not have like here you can see this is the genetic material of bacteria, rod shaped bacteria. Here you can see these are the ribosomes, these are the DNA. These DNA are not enclosed by nuclear membrane proper structure. So these are the organisms which lacks proper nucleus, they do not have nuclear membrane. These are the structure which were formed before the proper nucleus, which we can see in eukaryotic organism. The example of prokaryotes is bacteria and cyanobacteria. You means true. You means true, and carry on. Carry on. The words karyotes derived from carry on. Carry on means nucleus, which means proper nucleus. True nucleus. Okay, those organisms which have proper nucleus, you can see here. This is the nucleus. This is whole is nucleus. This is another structure inside the nucleus. We are talking about this structure, this whole structure. You can see this is the nuclear membrane, and this is whole is nucleus. Nucleus contain genetic material, DNA in most of the cases. So yeah, it's also contains some other RNA and others thing, but mainly which the definition is constricted to the genetic material, that is DNA, is found in nucleus. And the organisms of the eukaryotes is humans and animals and insects, all those organisms, and also paramecium and fungi. These all are the example of eukaryotes. It's not necessary that eukaryotes organisms is made up of only one cell. It could be made up of only one cell, and it could be made up of more than one cell. Okay, now autotrophs. Here the word auto means self, Autotroph means food, means organism which can make the food by themselves. This is known as autotrophs. The best example is plant. Everyone of you surround by the many plants and you see them every day. And also algae. Algae are also autotrophic organisms, which means that they can prepare their food by themselves, and many of the oxygen that is produced in the environment, in the biosphere, is produced by the algae. Heterotrophs. Hetero means that is something different. Foods like organism depends on one organism is depending on other organisms for food. Okay, like they cannot prepare their own food. The best example is humans, fungi, insects, and so they cannot prepare their food. They do not capture sunlight, they do not have chlorophylls, so they cannot prepare their own food by themselves. So for getting food they depend on another organisms. For suppose if you see humans depend upon plants and animals as well, like we eat hen, and we depend on plants for different vegetables, but fungi will depend upon plants, or insects, one insect can eat another insect, so it is depend upon, like one organisms can only depend on plants and one organisms can depend only on both plants and animals. Like humans, we eat both meat and vegetables. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.